Hi boys and girls, so we are going to read a picture book today, and the reason why I chose this picture book is because it has one of our sight words that we're going to be doing this week. So one of our sight words this week is the word moon. So here's our story. Moon, Earth's best friend. All right. Look up, look up, look up. It's me, Moon. I, Earth's best friend. Where Earth goes, I go. We have been together since the beginning, almost. Let me tell you our story. Once upon a time, about 4.5 billion years ago, a space rock the size of Mars crashed into baby Earth and made a big old mess. Pieces of rock, chunks of earth, and even lava were blasted into space. This crashed trash came together to make me. A satellite. Actually, I'm Earth's only natural satellite. Natural means not created by Earthlings, and satellite means I circle the Earth. She has thousands of human-made satellites too. They're mostly metal and plastic, not exactly best friend material. Guess that makes me Earth's #1 real sidekick. It takes me 27.3 days to go around the Earth once. It also takes me 27.3 days to spin once. Coincidence? I think not. That means I'm dependable. My face always smiles at the Earth, and you never see my backside. But you probably noticed that I look different every single night. That's fun, right? Check out my phases. All right, we're going to start right here. Waxing crescent, new moon, see it's all full. Waxing crescent. So crescent moon is when we only see the part that's white right here. So you only see that little sliver. First quarter, waxing gibbous. Full moon doesn't make wolves howl. Waning gibbous, last quarter. And here's the Earth. We just had a full moon last week. I don't know if any of you got to see it. It was pretty bright. Some other planets have best friends too. I am a moon, but I'm not the only moon in the whole solar system. Jupiter and his moons, Neptune and moons, Saturn and moons, Mars and moons. So look at this, Mars only has 2 moons. Uranus and moons. And then here are the names of some of the moons. Of all the moons, I'm the 5th biggest. So the moon has the 5th biggest moon. So here we go. It says Ganymede, Titan, Callisto, and Io. Those are names of best friend moons of some of the planets. I'll always be Earth's pal, but that doesn't mean we're twinsies. She's bigger, 4 times bigger. 6,784 miles around the moon. 24,874 miles around the Earth. And her gravity is 6 times stronger. Do you know what gravity is? There's some big words in this book. Gravity is what keeps that's what keeps people on the Earth. And like if you hold up something and you dropped it, like if I held up this pen and dropped it, it falls because of gravity. Okay, let's keep reading. Gravity is the invisible force that makes an apple fall to the ground instead of flying all the way up into the sky. A cow that weighs 600 pounds on Earth would only weigh 100 pounds on the moon. Speaking of cows, do you think people weigh more or less on the moon? If cows weigh less, what do you think people weigh? Earth has cows and nursery rhymes that are starring cows. But a cow has never jumped over me. I'm too far away for even a kangaroo to make that leap. He looks a little scared, huh? The poor moon. Average distance between Earth and me is 238,855 miles. You could fit 30 Earths into that distance, and it's probably a gazillion cows. Look at all those cows. Do you know the nursery rhyme about the cow that jumped over the moon? That's what they were talking about. BFFs help each other out. I keep the Earth from being too wobbly. This might be the most important thing that I do, and you probably didn't even know about it. With me, gentle spinning, my gravity at work. Without me, topsy-turvy. Look at this picture down here. Don't worry, moon gazers, you're never without me. That would be scary if the Earth was really topsy-turvy, huh? I would be scared. I don't disappear during the day. I'm always here for the Earth. You just can't see me when it's super bright out, or when it's cloudy, or when I'm on the other side of the Earth. I can prove I'm always here, because check out the ocean tides. Okay, we've talked about ocean tides before in class. That's the way that the waves move in the ocean and how strong they are. High tide happens twice a day. That means the water's up really high. Low tide also happens twice a day, and that's when it's really, 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 really low. That's gravity again, my gravity pulling on the Earth's oceans. I have the best views of Earth, and Earth has the best views of me. But some Earthlings wanted to see me up close. I'm the only other person in the universe where man has set foot. And I do mean man. I'm still waiting for my first female astronaut. I've had 12 moonwalkers and a few left footprints, and some of those footprints are still here. No wind or rain or snow on the moon to mess them up. That's pretty cool, huh? I think that's pretty awesome. Other things that you won't find on me, on the moon. Oxygen, mosquitoes, which is a really good thing, I think. Plants, animals, including cows, liquid water. Things you will find on me, things that we're going to find on the moon. Rocks, really, really big rocks. More rocks, nail clippers, presents from Earth, sure left behind by an untidy astronaut, a golf ball, falcon feathers, a hammer, and American flag. The first astronaut on the moon put an American flag there, and it's still there. Pretty cool, huh? Earth and I have so much fun together, like when we play Eclipse. Solar eclipse. I hide sun for a few minutes. We play this during the day. Lunar eclipse, or shadows, passes over me, and we play this at nighttime. Turn my page. I'm always here for Earth. I'm always here for you. Where Earth goes, I'll go. And where Earth goes, you go. So I guess that also makes us best friends too. All right, so let's see. Oh, these are just some games. And it just has some more information about the moon. Awesome. I love this book. I just got this book at the book fair when we just had a book fair a couple of weeks ago, and so I've never read it. So I really, really, really hope you enjoyed it, because I really liked it. And I want you to tell someone at your house 2 things that you learned about the moon from this book. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it.